Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business or services. In this video, we are going to create a demo website for mentor or personal coach or life coach. So if we are looking for a great solution, great WordPress theme for such category, to create a website for mentor or coach or guide, personal guide, so trainer, therapist, all these things. So this video is exactly for you, and we are going to use a wonderful WordPress theme called Mentor. Mentor is a personal development coach WordPress theme, and it has been developed by Ocean Themes. Ocean Themes is a big name in the WordPress theme development, and they are of course Power Elite author. This particular Mentor personal development coach WordPress theme came into existence in 2016, and regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. Mentor is a beautiful WordPress theme, mainly suitable for mentors who offer personal development, but it also can be used for coaches, trainers, therapists, training speakers, and other professionals who needs a professional website. So this is going to be a very perfect choice, and this theme Mentor is very much compatible with Elementor, Woocommerce, and latest version of WordPress. So without any further delay, we are going to proceed installing a Mentor WordPress theme, and in order to install the theme, we will also overview the complete theme options, demo content, import options, and all the possibility with the WordPress theme. And it is basically Elementor based WordPress theme, but yes, it is available in both versions, so we can choose WPBakery demo or Elementor demo. So it is available in both major page builders, so we can use any. So it has two versions, so side navigation and top navigation. I have already shown you the top navigation, and this is the side navigation, and it is perfectly made and designed, and it is showing the content in a very professional manner. So the best part is that the appointment making system, which works very fine, and it is necessary, I feel it is necessary for a trainer or coach website. So simply this button is available on the top of the page, and it directly goes to the appointment making system. It is great. So let us proceed towards installation. I have this press installation of WordPress, and I am assuming that you have already taken a domain name and hosting, suitable hosting for your upcoming website. If not, please follow the link given in the description of this video to get the theme, hosting or domain, whatever you need for your website. Everything is there, and let us proceed towards installation. I have this theme pack. In the theme pack, I have data export folder, in which I believe the manual import files are here, just in case if we need to import the data manually. It is all available here. Documentation, licensing, Elementor version of theme, and the WPBakery version of theme, and the child theme is available. Of course, we can choose any Elementor or WPBakery. To proceed with the installation, we need to upload this mentor.zip file to install the theme, and it is just 1.9 MB in size, so we can proceed further. So to install the theme, we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes, and by default 2022 WordPress theme is active here, and we are going to add new theme here. Upload theme, choose file, and here we need to select. So I'm selecting the Elementor version. You can choose any as per your choice. So I'm uploading the Elementor one. Just keep in mind, you have to upload only mentor.zip file. Don't try to upload the complete folder. So open it and click on install now. If your hosting is adequate and you are confident with your hosting plan, you can use this direct upload method. I mean, using WordPress interface, you can upload the theme, and you can see the theme has been uploaded successfully, installed successfully in just few seconds. And the hosting that we are offering gives you all access to the cPanel and all such things, so to control your hosting and everything. So just try to explore the best option of hosting plan available with the WP Themes website. So just follow the link. It is very necessary to have a suitable hosting plan if you are really willing to make your website successful. Okay, so we have uploaded the theme and it has been installed successfully, and we can go to the theme page. Now we have this Mentor as another theme option. It is available now. Let us check the details. It is Mentor version 2.3.2. as on date, this is being the latest version with me. When you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description, you might be getting an updated version, but the installation process and the features will remain almost same. So let us activate the theme. Upon activation, we have an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features of this theme. Let us begin installing plugins first of all. So these are 9 plugins and only 3 has been marked as required. Elementor is of course here, Kiki is the framework and page builder, you can say, and Metabox is here. Booked calendar is for booking appointment system. Contact Form 7 is always available. MailChimp for email subscription. OT one-click demo import is for single use for importing the demo data. Revolution slider is for hero images, and events calendar is again for showing events. So all these plugins are necessary in my opinion, and we are going to install all 9 plugins, and that can be done in a single click if your hosting is compatible. So I have chosen to install all plugins in one go. All 9 plugins are being installed, and it may take a while. Just wait on the screen until all plugins gets installed, and it is going on, and all plugins got installed in just few seconds again. So we can go to the plugin installer screen, and this is time to activate all the installed plugins, and this can be done in a single click. So okay, it is good, and the plugins are being activated. Wonderful. So we have installed and activated all the plugins without any trouble, without any error, and it is redirecting us to the Elementor welcome page. Simply cross this. Okay, so now all plugins, all setup plugins along with the theme has been installed, and we can take a look of our website, how it looks actually with the theme and plugins. So this is the basic look of website as of now, as it don't have any data, and we need to import the demo data to make our target website like any of these options. So we have 2 options as I said, and to proceed with the demo import we have to be okay. So I am finding the option. So under appearance I can see there is an option called import demo data, and here we have only one choice, so we will go with this and simply click on install. Okay, so it is going fast, and the screen is showing some information what is going on, imported media, slides, author certificate, and all these things. So we have to wait on this screen until we get any message on the screen. It is going very fast, and it all depends on your server capacity, your internet speed, your connection with the hosting developer server and all. So okay, so there are many images is to be downloaded. It is decreasing by one in seconds, so just wait until we get any message on the screen, and it will not take. Okay, so it is simply saying import completed. It is wonderful, and it was so fast. I am in doubt, so it has imported all the content, I mean images was there or not, but yes, it is loading. And okay, wonderful. So we have this complete website in just few seconds, not even in minutes. So demo data imported successfully. Oh, it is amazing, and speed was really awesome. And this appointment system is also here. It is good one, and we need to configure the appointment in the backend, so it will definitely work. And we can check the pages. So installation was really so smooth, so I like those things very much in which installation process is smooth, because ultimately we need end result, and if installation is smooth it means code level is really good. And the inner pages you can see it is really very good and professionally built. So this is the benefit of using any Power Elite author. And Ocean themes, of course, they are big joint in the development itself. So it is very good, and we have this website, and this is complete in all respects. It goes without saying that the installation was really smooth and you can go with this theme. And now it is time to take your decision. So you can go with the theme because it is smooth in installation and inner pages are really very good. So meet me options, this is contact form, this is really very good, and meet me form is with appointment system and the contact form as well. Now I'm going to show you the dashboard we can check what additional we have got in this installation. So I will show you only additional tabs that we got. So event sections are here, we can create events of course here, and there are already multiple events created. So I will just request you, it is very important from the SEO perspective. So if you are not using any of these, of course you are not using this demo content, so you have to delete these events, and or you need to edit all the contents because it is going to be indexed by the search engine if you are not deleting it. So it is very important to remove all the demo data and or replace with your original one. So this is the event section, and in this section you can create, add new events, add tags, event category you can create, and organizers, import. So it is complete event management system, so you can use this for your website. And next is okay, so appointments. So as I said, we need to configure the appointments to show on the front end, and it is very simple to use the appointment system. You just need to go in setting and you can choose the options. Various options are available. You need to create the time slots. So once you create the time slot, it will definitely available for appointment, and it is complete appointment system. Don't worry for this works very fine. I have seen on many websites, so you need not worry. And just in case if you need any support in setting all these parameters, we are here to support you, don't worry. So just write in the comment section of this video or get in touch with us using the link given in the description of WP Themes website. We are here to support you actually. So you have to create time slots and custom fields, emails, and all these configuration. So it will definitely start working on the front end, and you can see the appointments here on the dashboard, and you can even confirm or reject or whatever action you want to have. So in the pending section you will get all these information what appointments are being made through the front end. So it is very important feature that has been included in this theme, and it is the main feature for which I have selected this theme to be on this channel. Okay, so next is Elementor templates. These are common things. So header builders, when you are customizing your website, you have to control the header section from this header builder section. Just in case if you have used the main layout, this is the main layout, and you can hover here to edit with Elementor. If header mobile has been used, so you have to edit the header mobile and header home, just in case. So header home is here. If you want to edit this section, I mean header section, you have to edit it in a header section. So I have already opened this. I will show you how you can actually edit the header, because this is going to give you access of this logo and all. So Elementor takes time and loading. Okay, so this is now available, and you can simply edit the logo here without any trouble, and this all is available. So you can also customize this menu, and just in case, so these information can be changed in the header section. So top bar you can say, and this is the social links. So it is very important. So you might be finding where you can edit the header, and also I have shown you. So in the header section you have to header builders, you have to control the header section. Similarly footer builders are available to control the footer section. So it is well available in these two navigations. Next is plugins. Rest things are as common as in WordPress, and I wish to show you the theme panel. Okay, so it is not exactly available, so I believe it will be available in the customized section itself, because we have already seen the header section, and also rest of things can be handled through the customized option of WordPress default setting. So this is the setting, and again general settings, site identity, and basic settings are here. Home settings, and these are settings. So header transparent, you can select any header can be changed here, and nothing new, so all things are common. You can control the color scheme, so it is good that you can handle the color. So just in case if you don't want to keep it green, you can simply change it in a single click. We can keep it red, so it is good and it is very simple to update. So just publish. So great. Okay, so we have changed the primary color in fact. So and rest of things like preloader and also things, so cancel this, can be handled from here, and logo preload and all these things. So these are the basic controls that we have in this section, and we can recheck our website. We just changed the primary color, it should be changed, but yes, okay, so here is the primary color, it has been changed. So I was expecting to change this, so it has been changed. So this is what I was saying, so it got changed in single click. It is very good. Okay, so all functions are working very fine, and the customization is very easy. And to edit the content of page, you can simply open the page that you want to edit, and you have to use Elementor page editor, page builder for editing the content. Just keep in mind, I am repeating again, you have to remove all the demo data that has been imported, or you have to change the content of demo pages. It is very important. So, and to edit the content, you have to simply click on the, and this is the hero area. Hero area, I mean the slider area can be changed in the revolution slider section. I must show you. This is slider revolution section, and the hero image, I mean this is the main slider where you can change. And if you are not confident how to edit the revolution slider, you can make a duplicate by clicking on this drop down icon. So just make a duplicate to take a backup of this and start editing. So click on the pencil icon and you can edit the content. Just keep in mind, you have to use same length of text content or same dimension of image that has been used in the demo website. So here is the content, and just in case, this is the button, and if you want to link this button, it is very simple, and I will show you actions. So this is actions, and you have to keep the link here. So you can ask me any question just in case how to edit the revolution slider and all these things. So it is very simple, but yes, it may be new for you. So hero area image can be edited in the revolution slider. Rest of things can be edited on the page itself. So just click on the pencil icon and the content will be available. Again, I am reminding you, you have to use the same dimension of image and text. So it will be fine, and you will be able to create a wonderful website at your own without any doubt, I feel. And we are absolutely here to help you to in making your website live and up. So I believe this video remained informative for you, and you are going to use this Mentor WordPress theme for making a website for coach or personal trainer, or going to use in similar categories. So it is very useful theme, of course. So it is a good theme, of course, and it is available on the theme forest. You can follow the link given in the description. So let us meet in another video in which I am going to bring wonderful WordPress resources for you. Till then, goodbye, keep building. Thank you.